Hey everyone, Joseph here trying to debunk the theory of the fuzzball black hole theory. What I did was I made a sign that was infinite. It was infinite, okay? 102.02.02 right there, and then 101 to 0 power. And the rest is to 0 power, to 0 power, to 0 power, to 0 power. And 199999999. And this is on the same line. This is added by what it is. And it's 3911 squared minus 1. The tangent is, if I can see this the right way. It's kind of hard to read, but 129,608,888,888 to the power of 8. It doesn't make it infinite, but it does make it swallow up things. Then it went to the cosine of 1, and it gave me a perfect number. And then also to the cosine of 0 gave me a perfect number. So there's two different types of black holes. The mean I used was 2 and logic was 1, and the answer equaled 0. So knowing that, I'm pretty sure, and I did STDVEP, or STEVDP, I don't know how to explain that, but I put that as 1. And I got 0 with it too. So I did that the right way. And then so this number was answer number 2. Answer number 1 is cosine 0 above it. And it gave me a perfect number 2. But they're similar and they're not that far apart from what they're doing. Now in the picture that I drew, I already figured this out from variant form physics, is that it's magnetically bound together. So, like, these triangles that you're seeing or whatever you're seeing, they're more or less like paradigms. Or not paradigms, but paradigms and paradigms and whatnot have you, with paradigms going forth and doing what they do. And the reason why it goes off radiation is because right over here, right here in this area, is empty. There's nothing to do with it. This empty area shows off energy and radiation that it shouldn't have. So it spins around a little loop and then goes through like 6 or 7 loops and keeps going on into the paradigm in which it would get caught, transfer energy onto this point right here, and scoop it up and shoot it out this way. If not that way, maybe another way like this, down like that. Depending on which way the masses were aligned or how the gravitational pull is from where it is or where it is from the middle of the universe. Now, the last part of the equation, which is down here, which is logic 1, mean 2, I found out was somewhere right here, and it's mean 2. And it does the same thing that I tried showing you guys not so long ago, where there was like double-edged sword almost, sort of kind of looking thing. And then logic 1 goes directly straight around in a circle around here. Now, the whole point of having a entrance point to where you can have something being a supermassive black hole or black hole is right here. This little area right here. It shows that there's magnetism that will be shot back and forth, and there is nothing that you can do to show right here. Nothing you can do to show where this point is or where it's going. It's stuck in one spot as a triangle. That to me bleeds singularity, but I'm not sure if that's true or not. And this could be the mass inside the supermassive black hole, but I haven't found that out to be true. If I go through my math the second time and I try and show you guys with variant math about what I was talking about, how it worked out, it would probably be the same thing. You guys wouldn't care to see this ever again or see that ever again. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut off the camera at the point where you guys need to read this, and that's squared. I can't read that. There we go. Sine 8.921134 squared times 2.101 to the power 0 times 102 or 1,020,202 to the power 0 times 2 to the power 0 times 20 to the power 0 multiplied by 1.999999, and then plus 3911 squared minus 1 tangent 1296088888888 to the power of 8. Then the cosine would be 1, mean 2, and logic 1. But it's divided by it, and the cosine is divided by the first two halves. That's why it has an arrow like that. The first two halves are combined on top of each other. So, okay, so if you get that, then you got that, and that's all you need to do. So, all right, thank you, and have a good day. Bye.